The opposition today staged a walkout from the Lok Sabha protesting various issues, including violence in Sambal district in UP and alleged bribery charges against a prominent business group. President Draupadi Murmu confers national awards for empowerment of persons with disabilities, reminds they need empathy, not sympathy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated the successful implementation of the new criminal laws to the nation in Chandigarh today. Textiles Minister Giriraj Singh has said there is no plan to form a National Weavers Commission as the government is continuously working for the welfare of the weavers. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Mansukh Mandavia has said the Khelo India scheme has identified 2,781 athletes across 21 sports, including para-athletics, and is providing them essential sports as part of Khelo India Talent Development Program.